This is the Dish with Tasha Mukbang edition. Today we have a very special guest, the beautiful Damaris. Hey! Catering provided by Fluffian. They provided us with a seafood mukbang where we have crab legs, shrimp, lobster mac.
Okay. Crunch on top. If the mac and cheese doesn't have crunch on top, that's not for me. Alright.
I'll show you guys. Hopefully you can zoom in on it. Offer contactless delivery anywhere in the tri-state area, in New York and New Jersey. So follow them, put those orders in, because coming from someone who's had this food before, this is the kind of food that it changes mood, okay? So if you don't know, now you know.